Hello everyone, I am Fatima Naurin of class 9B. Today I am going to present the AIL activity done alongside my team members with constant support from our social science teachers Munira ma'am and Deepa ma'am. Our topic is the comparative study of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh, which includes comparing and contrasting the vegetation of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh, drawing the vegetation and wildlife of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh, comparing and contrasting the agricultural crops and occupation of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh, and collecting information about constituencies of both Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Our objectives are to differentiate between the vegetation of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh, to develop and to protect endangered species, to find the differences between the occupation and agricultural crops of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh, and to learn about the constituencies, ruling party and chief ministers of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh, and to include art in our daily life. Vegetation of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Kerala. In Kerala, about 28.90% of total area is covered by forests. The main districts which are covered by forests are Idukki and Pathanamthitta. The districts with no area under forest is Alappuzha. The different type of forest in Kerala are tropical wet evergreen forest, tropical moist deciduous forest, tropical dry deciduous forest, mountain subtropical forest, rolling grasslands, shola forest and thorn sholas. Himachal Pradesh. The forests of Himachal Pradesh are known for their grandeur and majesty, which are like a pearl in the Himalayan crown. The vegetation varies from dry scrub forest at lower altitude to alpine pastures at higher altitude. More than 95% are endemic plant species, while 5%, about 150 species, are exotic. Types of forest: dry alpine forest, moist alpine scrubs, shoal alpine forest, Himalayan temperate forest, wet temperate forest, subtropical pine forest, tropical dry deciduous forest, tropical thorny forest. Natural vegetation of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Wildlife of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Agricultural crops and occupations. Agricultural crops of India. The main crops grown in Kerala are coconut, mango, jackfruit, paddy, etc. Kerala is known as land of coconut, as coconut is one of the most important crop. Agricultural crops of Himachal Pradesh. Main crops grown in Himachal Pradesh are wheat, barley, rice and maize. Himachal Pradesh is known as the apple state of India for its large-scale production of fruits. Occupation of Kerala. Farming and fishing are main occupation. Kerala is also known for its handmade looms and handicraft materials. Kerala ranks first position in India for coconut production. India lies in the coastal line. Occupation of Himachal Pradesh. Agriculture is the main occupation. Himachal Pradesh is also known for making carpets, shawl and painting. In Himachal Pradesh, forest or land area is more, so people engage in agricultural activities. Constituencies of Kerala. A constituency represents a body of citizens entitled to elect their representative. There are 140 constituencies in Kerala, and each elected members of party represent one of the 140 constituencies within the borders of Kerala. IUML, CPI, BJP, BSP are some of the parties in Kerala, and each members is referred to as a member of Legislative Assembly or MLA. Politics in Kerala is dominated by two political forming Communist Party of India, Marxist led by Left Democratic Front LDF, and the main International Congress led by United Democratic Front UDF. Since 1970s, the Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan, is the leader of the House LDF. The leader of the opposition party is Ramesh Chennithala UDF. The party ruling in Kerala till 2020 is CPI, BJP leader Pinarayi Vijayan, Alliance, LDF NDA, leader since 2016-2020. This is the map of Kerala. Constituencies of Himachal Pradesh. A group of voters in a specified area who elect a representative to a legislative body is called constituencies. On 18 December 1970, the State of Himachal Pradesh Act was passed by Parliament, and the new state come into being on 25th January 1917. Thus, Himachal Pradesh emerged as the 18th state of Indian Union, with Dr. Yashwant Singh Parmar as its first chief minister. The Himachal Pradesh Legislative State Assembly election of 2017 to elect all 68 members of the Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly since 2012, the Indian National Congress Party was in power in outgoing assembly with 36 seats. The current chief minister is Jairam Thakur of Bharatiya Janata Party BJP. Sworn in on December 2017, Minister of the State consists of 11 members having various departments. Opposite party is Indian National Congress INC, and the opposition party leader is Mukesh Aginthori. Map of Himachal Pradesh. Both Kerala and Himachal Pradesh are rich in its wildlife and vegetation, but we can see a drastic decrease in both of them. What are the causes? It's mostly our human activities like deforestation, hunting and teasing of animals, clearing out forest in order to increase the agricultural lands to build roads and industries. What can we do against it? Afforestation, creating awareness among local communities and tourists, protecting our forests, and to lead by example. Thank you and have a nice day.